Okay, hello and welcome again. And in this lecture, we are going to see how we can export videos or save videos in our folders or directory from Camtasia Studio. So now that we have done with merging videos or adding transition tone in our videos to make it look more natural and appealing, so it's time to export the video from this software. So to do so, just head over to the right hand side of the screen and just click on share and then local file. Then it will show a pop-up, but it's not an issue. Just click on OK and click on next and select the file format that you want to export in, and I'm going to keep it as it is, MP4 standard format. And there are some basic information, we can just skip them and keep it as it is, and we can just head over to the next, and then we have to just select a production name or a file name for this specific video, like something like, or just keep it as it is, and then we can just select any preferred directory that we want to export in this particular video, and then we can just click on finish, and then it will show some pop-off and all that. You can just click on continue. It's gonna take a while, and the export or rendering time will depend on the system structure. If you have a good system, like you have a good processor or a graphics card and have a high-speed processor, it will take less time. But if you have a regular computer like me, it will take a minute or so to render, and your computer might heat up a little bit, but that's not an issue. It's not that heavy software. It's really basic and beginner level software, Camtasia. So it will not take up too much processing, too much space from RAM and processing time from processor. So it will take 2 to 5 minutes. I guess 32% is already done. So let's just wait a little bit. Okay, the rendering is now complete. Once the rendering complete, just head over to the folder or directory that you have exported to, and this is the file that we have rendered right now. So in this folder you're going to find so many files, but the MP4 extension file is the file that we are interested in. So this is how the final video looks like, including all the transitions, and the first video that we have merged are now merged into one video. So this is how we can export or render video from Camtasia. Now we can use this video for YouTube or any kind of platform. Just rename this MP4 file and upload it to Google Drive or your YouTube or any kind of platform like Coursera or anything that you are making video for. So thank you for watching, and I hope you found this course informative, and I will try to make this kind of content later on. So all the best, and see you again.